There are 1,500 miles of storm drain pipes and around 40,000 storm drain inlets in Fairfax County. Most storm drains are created to prevent flooding on our roadways. They are connected to pipes that send rain or snowmelt from our roads to the closest stream or pond. This means storm drain outfalls should only have running water when it's been raining. If we go to an outfall during dry weather or when it hasn't rained for a while, and there is water coming out, we know something isn't right. Most likely, something is connected to the storm drain network that shouldn't be.
Fairfax County investigates randomly selected outfalls every year to make sure that pollution from our homes, businesses, and schools aren't accidentally sent to our stormwater pipelines. To find the source of pollution, we follow the storm drain network by walking along the road or sidewalk and opening each manhole connected to the storm drain system, starting at the outfall and working our way up the pipeline until we find that it's dry. These manholes, which should only be opened by trained employees, give us access to underground storm drain pipelines, allowing us to check the water flowing through them. Once we find a clean or dry manhole, we know the pollution must be entering the network from somewhere nearby. Oh hey, I think we found something.
Huh, you're right. Let's take a closer look. Oh man, that doesn't look good at all. Not only is it blue, but it hasn't rained for weeks. There shouldn't be anything coming out of this storm drain pipe.
Looks like a job for the Stream Crime Investigation Unit. Looks like this is the first manhole above that pipe.
All right, let's open it up and see what we can find. Looks like there's still polluted water here. We'll need to head up the storm drain network to the next manhole.
Looks dangerous. But I knew the risks when I took this job.
Let's just go to the next manhole.
Let's just go to the next manhole.
I literally just said that.
I literally just said that. Looks dry to me.
All right, that's great. That means we know that the pollution must be coming from somewhere between this manhole and the one we just came from.
Stakeout.
What?
Stakeout.
Just shut your manhole.
There they are! Let's get them!
Eric, wait!
So as you can see, anything that goes down our storm drains goes straight into our natural environment.
Thanks for telling me that. I didn't know. I'll make sure to tell all my evil friends and evil family members to not put anything down a storm drain anymore.
Oh, did you?
We already got it.
Okay.
Looks like another great day for the Stream Crime Investigation Unit. Come on, you know you want to.
Okay.